Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by importing your image sequence. This preserves order and metadata. Once done, set the sequence frame rate to match your shoot, 12 or 24 FPS, because frame rate defines motion timing. Next, ensure images are interpreted correctly. Make sure Premiere treats them as a sequence, not individual clips. Then, group and label in a bin so you can navigate quickly. This prevents confusion as you trim, retime, or color grade later. Now you refine timing. Trim stray frames and ripple delete gaps to tighten the animation. You'll want to adjust clip durations in consistent increments so motion remains steady. Use speed/duration or time remapping for subtle slow-ins or speed-ups. Once pacing feels right, apply frame blending or short dissolves only where jitter is obvious. Overuse softens the stop-motion look. Make incremental changes, play back at full resolution, and confirm motion reads smoothly before moving to color. Finish by balancing and stabilizing. Use Lumetri for white balance, exposure, and contrast. Check waveform and vector scope so colors stay consistent. Once graded, stabilize any drift with warp stabilizer set low, or use a deflicker effect if brightness flicker persists. Export using your sequence settings and a high bitrate or lossless codec to avoid compression artifacts. This preserves crisp edges between frames. If flicker or jitter returns, recheck frame interpretation, retime problem frames, and rerun the deflicker with different thresholds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.